Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to fix the tax text not found in your Google Adsense account. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that we are simply going to start by adding our WordPress website to Google Adsense account. So we are going to click on add new site. We are going to insert our site link here, copy it, we'll place it here. After which you click on what save. So once you get here, there are simply three methods in which you can verify your site on Google Adsense. So we are going to choose the second one, that is the tax text. So we are going to copy this. We'll go to our WordPress website, click on what plugins, after which you click on add new. So guys, we are going to be using this free plugin called the File Manager. So after that, you click on what install now. So once installation is complete, we are simply going to activate it. So this is a plugin here. We click on WP File Manager, open it. It is going to give us access to our entire website, that is from the back end. So we'll start by creating a text file. So we'll click here, use it here, after which you click on text. So we are going to name this new file called the Ads.Txt. Click on enter, after which we'll right click, we'll click on code editor. Once you're there, we simply need to insert the copied code from our Google Adsense account. Let's copy it again, come back here, insert it here. After which we click on what save and close. So guys, once you are done with that, you go back to your Google Adsense account. You click on publish, click on verify, click on next. So we click on what request review. So guys, we are done with that, requesting our review. So we are going to go back. So as you can see, we just successfully added our tax text file in our WordPress website and we submitted it on Google Adsense. So it does take a little couple of seconds after verifying the website on Google Adsense account, but in your own case it might take either a week or month. So you simply need to wait after submitting your site on Google Adsense account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.